Hey everybody, come on into my kitchen. Let's make a homemade French toast made Sheila's Creations way. Oh yeah, delicious with some good old crusty bread. Come on in and let's get to making it. All right, so I'm getting everything prepared for, yes, the French toast. Okay, so I have my 4 eggs and I'm just gonna whip them up. And I'm going to be adding vanilla flavoring. I'm going to be adding milk and ground cinnamon. Now, my ground cinnamon, I love ground cinnamon in my French toast. So I'm going to put about maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of the ground cinnamon in my mix. And then once we get that, we're going to whip it back again with everything combined. And then we're going to take our crusty bread. Oh yeah, and we are going to just saturate it in that egg mixture. And then we're going to take it to the stove, and then some vegetable oil and some butter. We're going to fry them on both sides. Get them all good and brown. All right, so come on, let's go over to the skillet and get them started on the frying. And I have these frying on medium to low. All right, we had 8 slices. Those are the last of them. And here they are, all nice and crispy, ready to be eaten.